Yidstock, the Festival of New Yiddish Music, brings the top names in Klezmer and new Jewish music to the stage at the Yiddish Book Center in Amherst, Massachusetts. 4 days of back-to-back concerts, along with music-related workshops, talks, and more. Yidstock offers a rare opportunity for festival goers to take in performances by several generations of the most accomplished and influential Klezmer musicians. In the words of an attendee, when will I ever have the chance to see these performers on stage, playing back-to-back concerts? I loved every minute of the festival. On the bill for Yidstock 214, the Klezmer Conservatory Band, the Klezmatics, Nagunam Trio, Daniel Kahn and Painted Bird, and Frank London's Klezmer Brass All-Stars with Eleanor Risa. Last year, London's All-Stars had 300 attendees dancing in the aisles. We went last year, and we're still tapping our toes. Reserve your festival pass or individual concert tickets today before they sell out. Yidstock 214, July 17th through 20th, rain or shine at the Yiddish Book Center in Amherst, Massachusetts. Join us. You'll be rocking the shtetl.